Hello guys, myself MD Tariq Anwar. I am working as an assistant professor in Mechanical Engineering Department at St. Andrews Institute of Technology and Management, Gurugram. I am delivering a lecture of video lecture series, lecture number 12 on the topic of application of Bernoulli's equation. I have already explained concept of Euler's equation and equation related to Bernoulli's equation. Clear? Or so, what is the application of this Bernoulli equation? That is, first application is Venturi meter. What is Venturi meter? It is a device which consists of three sections. First one is convergent, next is throat, third one is divergent section. I have drawn a diagram here. See the diagram. At point 1 to point 2 there is a converging, means that I have attached this device in the pipeline. So here from pipe diameter to throat diameter, this is converging section, and there is a throat. Second point is, that is point 2 is throat point, or you can say throat area or throat diameter, which is denoted by D2. And third one, which is equal to pipe diameter, this is divergent section of the वेंचुरीमीटर. इसको यूज़ कहाँ करते हैं? इट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर फाइंडिंग आउट डिस्चार्ज और वॉल्यूम फ्लो रेट. वेंचुरीमीटर इज यूज्ड फॉर फाइंडिंग आउट डिस्चार्ज और वॉल्यूम फ्लो रेट in the pipe. D1 is the pipe diameter, Q is the discharge, 1 is the diameter of pipe, 2 is the throat diameter. Clear? So applying Bernoulli's equation, because it is the application of Bernoulli's equation, based on application of Bernoulli's equation. So writing Bernoulli's equation here, you all know that P1 by W plus V1 square upon 2G plus Z1 is equal to P2 by W plus V2 square upon 2G plus Z2 is nothing but Bernoulli's equation. So I am arranging the term in the leftward direction, V term in the rightward and pressure and datum head in the leftward. Clear? So finally we will get P1 by W plus Z1 inside the bracket minus inside the bracket P2 by W plus Z2 is equal to V2 square minus V1 square upon 2G. If the pipe is horizontal, then Z1 is equal to Z2 will be same, so it will be cancelled out. The final expression will be P1 by W plus minus P2 by W is equal to V2 square minus V1 square upon 2G. Assume this as H, say this value is H, so this is nothing but pressure head difference. H क्या है? Pressure head difference, that is P1 by W minus P2 by W is denoted by H. So we can write V2 square minus V1 square upon 2G is equal to H. So again shifting 2G on the right side, we will get V2 square minus V1 square is equal to 2GH. Replacing V2 with the help of Q by A1. Clear? Or Q by A2, because you all know that discharge or volume flow rate is given as Q is equal to A1 V1 or Q is equal to A2 V2. So V1 will be Q by A1, V2 will be Q by A2. So in place of V2, I am writing here Q square upon A2 square minus Q square upon A1 square, and right hand side is same, that is 2GH. So now taking Q square common, remaining part क्या होगा? After taking LCM, you will get A1 square minus A2 square upon A1 square into A2 square, bracket close, is equal to 2GH. क्या किया मैंने? क्यू स्क्वायर को कॉमन लिया एंड रिमेनिंग पार्ट पे एलसीएम लिया. सो फाइनली वी विल गेट क्यू स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू a1 स्क्वायर a1 a2 स्क्वायर into 2gh upon a1 square minus a2 square. So this will give you theoretical discharge, that is a1 a2. Q theoretical is nothing but theoretical discharge, that is a1 into a2 under root 2gh upon under root a1 square minus a2 square. Now we will discuss principle of Venturi meter. कहाँ से आया ये प्रिंसिपल ऑफ वेंचुरी मीटर, कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे. कंसिडरिंग आई एम प्लेसिंग अ डिफरेंशियल यूट्यूब मैनोमीटर in the venturi meter. One limb at the throat and another limb is at the pipe, that is 0.1 and throat point is 0.2. So initially both the limbs of the differential manometer, in which mercury used as a manometric fluid, is same when the pressure is not varying. But if the fluid is flowing, there will be a pressure change during the flow. At 0.1 pressure will be more and 0.2 pressure will be less. At 0.1 velocity is less, at 0.2 velocity will be less. This is the concept of Bernoulli's equation. It means that if pressure is decreasing, means velocity is increasing. Clear? So see the diagram here. D1 is the diameter of pipe, which is denoted by 1. Q is the discharge. S is the relative density of water. Clear? D2 is the throat diameter. So due to pressure difference, this manometric fluid will deflect. For example, here this is X. Deflection here is denoted by a small x. SM is nothing but manometric fluid relative density. So if you want to change the one column into another column, the formula which is used is H1S1 is equal to H2S2. I have already explained rho 1 H1 into rho 2 is equal to rho 2 H2. Clear? So यहाँ क्या लिख रहा हूँ मैं, X into SM. This is the manometric fluid. So relative density लिखूँगा X into SM is equal to क्या, in terms of water column. So H will be representing water column and relative density of water is nothing but S. So it will the equation X into SM in the rectangular block is equal to, in the bracket or circular part, small h into S. Now see the equation or simplification. We all know that continuity equation is given as A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. So A2 less than A1 because D2 is smaller as compared to D1. V2 will be greater than V1. P2 will be less as compared to E1. So we all know that Bernoulli's equation is E1 by W plus V1 square upon 2G is equal to P2 by W plus V2 square upon DG, because Z1 is equal to Z2 is equal to constant. So because pipe is in horizontal condition. So now applying manometric principle in this case, मैं ट्राई मैनोमेट्रिक प्रिंसिपल क्या है, प्रेशर फर्स्ट पॉइंट पे कितना लग रहा है, फिर हाइट ऑफ कॉलम क्या है, फिर माइनस प्लस एज कंपेयर टू साइन कन्वेंशन. सो हियर P1 by W प्रेशर exerted in the first limb plus in the pipe P1 by W plus H plus X. See the diagram here. I am explaining क्या है, at point 1 कौन सा प्रेशर है, P1 by W. क्लियर? प्लस we are moving in downward direction, so this will be positive. So plus H plus X This is in water column, so no need to change. Minus, see the diagram again. Minus, कहाँ मूव कर रहे हैं हम? इन अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन. Jumping of fluid technique or datum line technique, both the techniques used for manometric fluid or manometric principle in the manometric principle. So at point 1 to 2 means that mercury. So this is mercury head or mercury height. So converting this mercury into water column, it will be minus x into Sm upon S minus h is equal to P2 by W. So final will be expression P1 by W minus P2 by W is equal to x in the bracket Sm upon S minus 1. Clear? We all know that, already explained. क्या है? प्रेशर हेड डिफरेंस को क्या लिख सकते हैं हम? H से लिख सकते हैं. Clear? So finally we can write, which is red rectangular block, H is equal to x in the bracket Sm upon S minus 1 bracket close. So Q theoretical already explained, already derived, is equal to Q theory is equal to A1 A2 under root 2GH upon under root A1 square minus A2 square. Now we will discuss principle of venturimeter. Already explained, but see the definition again. By decreasing area in a steady one-dimensional incompressible flow, velocity increases. अगर area decrease करेंगे तो क्या होगा? Velocity increases, and this increase in velocity results in decrease in pressure from Bernoulli's equation. From where it is coming? It is coming from Bernoulli's equation, and this pressure difference results in manometric fluid deflection. अगर हम क्या करेंगे? लिम्ब लगाएंगे मैनोमेट्रिक फ्लूइड का, तो ये क्या, इट विल अफेक्ट और देयर विल बी अ मैनोमेट्रिक फ्लूइड डिफ्लेक्शन व्हेन अ डिफरेंशियल मैनोमीटर इज इंस्टॉल्ड. जब इंस्टॉल करेंगे वेंचुरीमीटर तो क्या होगा? देयर विल बी डिफ्लेक्शन इन द मैनोमेट्रिक फ्लूइड, whatever manometric fluid may be. By measuring this manometric deflection, discharge can be found. Now, while applying Bernoulli's equation, losses were assumed, and hence discharge is also known as theoretical discharge. Clear? So Q theoretical will be A1 into A2 under root 2GH upon under root A1 square minus A2 square, where value of H is nothing but x into in the bracket Sm upon S minus 1. So what will be the coefficient of discharge? This is the important term which is used in venturimeter. Actually I am calculating theoretical discharge, but actual discharge क्या होगा? It is given as CD, that is Q actual upon Q theoretical. So finding out Q actual, it will be multiplied by coefficient of discharge, which is represented by C, the suffix D. So Q actual will be CD into Q theoretical. Applying the formula with CD, we will get Q actual is equal to CD into A1 A2 under root 2GH upon A1 square minus A2 square. It is defined as the ratio of actual discharge to the theoretical discharge. This is nothing but coefficient of discharge. This coefficient of discharge depends upon first one, area ratio. एरिया में क्या चेंजेस हो रहा? व्हाट विल बी द चेंजेस इन एरिया. नेक्स्ट इज रेनॉल्ड्स नंबर, मीन्स टाइप ऑफ फ्लो, लेमिनार फ्लो है, टर्बुलेंट फ्लो है. थर्ड वन इज सरफेस रफनेस ऑफ द डिवाइस, हाउ स्मूथ ऑफ द सरफेस इज. क्लियर? सो एज द एरिया रिडक्शन इज ग्रेजुअल इन वेंचुरीमीटर, क्योंकि कन्वर्ज हो रहा है स्लोली एंड डाइवर्ज हो रहा है स्लोली. सो एज द एरिया रिडक्शन इज ग्रेजुअल, रिडक्शन क्या हो रहा है, ग्रेजुअल हो रहा है, सो वेंचुरीमीटर में, सो लॉसेज आर लेस, देयर फोर द वैल्यू ऑफ सी डी लाइज इन द रेंज in between 0.94 to 0.98. As we know that pressure head difference is given as P1 minus P2 upon W is equal to H. So when we considering the Bernoulli's equation, in the Bernoulli's equation with considering head loss, the equation will be, new equation will be P1 by W plus V1 square upon 2G plus P2 by W plus V2 square upon 2G plus head loss. Clear? Because I am adding head loss here, so it will be P1 by W minus P2 by W bracket close minus head loss in the pipe is equal to V2 square minus V1 square upon 2G. So P1 by W minus P2 by W is nothing but H. So we can write H minus HL, head loss due to friction, is equal to V2 square minus V1 square upon 2G. Clear? Again arranging the term, putting the value of Q in place of V. So we will get the answer as Q square upon A2 square minus Q square upon A1 square is equal to 2G H minus HL. One term is increasing, that is head loss due to friction. So final expression will be, see the derivation, final expression will be Q is equal to A1 into A2 under root 2G in the bracket H minus HL under root A1 square minus A2 square. I have considered the flow with head loss, means actual discharge, and we can also get actual discharge by multiplying with CD, the theoretical discharge. So comparing both the equation here, first one is considering head loss, second equation is multiplying by CD. So finally we will get the value as under root H minus HL is equal to CD into under root H. So the value of CD is under root H minus HL upon H. In case of HL is given, so you can find out CD with this formula. Now we will discuss general proportion of venturimeter. How much angle, how much length of the venturimeter should be. So this is the diagram of venturimeter. See the left side diagram, that is D1 is the diameter of pipe from where there is a converging section or convergence part. I have shown with the arrow. D2 is the throat diameter. Next is divergence or diverging section, which is increasing area. So generally throat diameter is taken as D2 is equal to 1 by 3 to 1 by 2 D1. If you have to find throat diameter, you can directly multiply 1 by 3 or 1 by 2, generally half or 33% of the pipe diameter. Clear? Now see the right side diagram. Here I have made three angles, alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 and L1, L2 and L3. So which one is better? So in case of diverging section, if the angle is less, so there will be no loss of separating flow. Clear? Flow separation will be very less in case of angle is less. So generally area of convergence or angle of convergence is 21 degree to 22 degree, and angle of divergence is taken as 5 to 7 degree. कम से कम रखना है. Clear? So this will be the venturimeter proportional. Note that is very important point. That is the angle of divergence is generally kept below 7 degree. If it is more than 7 degree, then there is a problem of flow separation. What is flow separation? Means flow होगा तो वो separate हो जाएगा, एडी फॉर्म हो जाएगा, ठीक है, and pitting and something extra will occur in the device which will affect the device. So now we will solve one question related to this concept. Read the question. A venturimeter of 20 meter throat diameter, that is D2, is used to measure discharge in a horizontal pipe of 40 mm diameter, that is D1. The fluid flowing is water. The pressure difference between pipe and throat section is 30 kilopascal. Then, neglecting losses, find the velocity in pipe. This is given in the question. P1 minus P2 is 30 kilopascal, D2 is 20 mm, D1 is 40 mm. Clear? So, applying Bernoulli's equation between them, you will get P1 by W plus V1 square upon 2G is equal to P2 by W plus V2 square upon 2G. Z1 is Z2 is constant. So, P1 minus P2 upon W is equal to V2 square minus V1 square upon 2G. So, cancelling out G term from both sides, we will get P1 minus P2 by W. P1 minus P2 upon rho is equal to V2 square minus V1 square upon 2. So, putting the value of P1 minus P2 here, 30 kilopascal. So, 30 into 10 raised to 3. The value of rho is 10 raised to 3 is equal to V2 square minus V1 square upon 2. So, this is the equation number 1. Now, applying continuity equation between 1 and 2, the throat and pipe. So, we can write here A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. Clear? So, pi by 4 D1 square into V1 is equal to pi by 4 D2 square into V2. Pi by 4 will be cancelled out. So, D1 square into V1 is equal to D2 square into V2. So, we will get the answer is equal to 4V1 is equal to V2 after solving the above diameter. D2 is 20 and D1 is 40. So, 40 square and the right side 20 square. So, we will get 4V1 is equal to V2. Putting the value of V2 in the Bernoulli's equation. So, it will become 16V1 square minus V1 square upon 2. And pressure is also given, that is 30, which I have already solved here. Finally, you will get the answer as V1 is equal to 2 meters per second. So, another question I have attached in this video. Solve this. This is solved question. You can read and applying the force in this question and you will get the answer. Clear? Which is also based on Bernoulli's equation. So, today I am closing the topic. So, bye. Thank you very much.